Welcome back. In this video, we will understand what is medical social work. Medical social work is a specialized field within the broader field of social work that focuses on addressing the social, emotional, and psychological factors that can impact a person's health and well-being. Medical social workers are trained professionals who work in healthcare settings such as hospitals, clinics, and long-term care facilities to provide support and assistance to individuals and their families as they navigate the challenges of illness, injury, or disability. Their primary goal is to enhance the overall quality of life and promote optimal health outcomes for patients. In their role, medical social workers perform a wide range of functions. They conduct psychosocial assessments to identify the emotional and social needs of patients, help individuals and families cope with the stress and emotional turmoil associated with medical conditions, and connect them to appropriate community resources and support services. They also assist in care planning, facilitate communication between healthcare providers and patients, and advocate for patients' rights and preferences within the healthcare system. Medical social workers play a crucial role in ensuring that patients receive holistic care that addresses not only their physical health but also their emotional and social well-being, ultimately contributing to better health outcomes and improved quality of life.